Hi guys, it's me, Shivanantana. Today I'm going to continue our verbal reasoning for Ken test. Okay, so let's get started. Chapter 2 is Identify a letter from a clue. In this topic, you can expect questions like you get 2 or 3 words and then you've got to find which letter comes once or twice or 3 times. Okay? So let's get started. Before going to our first question, there's an example here. Find the letter that occurs the most often in this word. Okay? So we need to find which letter comes most often in this word. So A, does it come often? 1 here, 2, 1 here, and 1 here. Yes, it comes most often. It comes 3 times. So the answer is A. So moving to the first question. Find the letter that occurs once in blossom and twice in balloon. Okay, so we got to find which letter comes once in blossom. Okay, so B comes once, but it doesn't come twice in balloon, so that's not our answer. L comes once, it comes twice in balloon. So for the first question, the answer is L. Okay? So let's move on to the next question. Next question is, find the letter that occurs 3 times in this word. Okay? So we need to find which letter comes 3 times in this word. Okay? So M, does it come 3 times? No, it doesn't. What about O? It doesn't come 3 times, but it comes twice. But we need 3 times. L. Oh, there's twice in here. Oh, there's another L. So it comes 3 times. So for question number 2, the answer is L. L. Okay? So let's move on to the next question. The next question is, find the letter that occurs most often in this word. Okay? So we need to find which letter comes most often in this word. Okay? So C. Does it come most often? There's 1 C here, 1 C here, and 1 C here. Yeah, it comes most often. So for question number 3, the answer is C. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, find the letter that occurs most often in this word. Okay? So we need to find which letter comes most often. Okay? So C, does it come most often? No. What about E? There's 1 E here, 1 E here, 1 E here, and 1 E here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 4 E's, but let's check more letters. So A, does it come most often? No, it doesn't. What about S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, S comes most often than E. The answer is S. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, find the letter that occurs most often in this word. Okay, so we need to find which letter comes most often in this word. So is it S? There's 1 S here and 1 S here. It comes twice. So let's check again. M here, 1 M here, and no M. So let's check the other. 1 I here. There's no I. So let's move on to the next letter. One T here. No T's. H. No H. E. Oh, E comes most often. For number 5, the answer is E. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. The next question is once in this word and twice in this word. Okay, so we need to find in the first word, we need to find one letter that comes once. And then in the second word, we need to find one letter that comes twice. Okay? So A, it comes once. Does it come twice here? No, it doesn't. What about C? Oh, it comes twice, but we need once. So C is not it. I, it comes once. It doesn't come twice in the second word. What about D? It comes once. It doesn't come twice. E comes once. Doesn't come twice. N comes once. Comes twice. So for number 6, answer is N. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. The next question is once in the first word and twice in the second word and 3 times in the third word. Okay, so we need to find which letter comes in the first word, which letter comes in the first word once, and which letter comes twice in the second word, and which letter comes 3 times in the third word. Okay, so P, it comes once in here. Does it come twice? No, it doesn't. What about I? It comes once. It doesn't come twice or 3 times. What about C? It comes once. It doesn't come twice in the second word, but it comes once in the third word. But we need twice and 3 times. What about K? It comes once. It doesn't come twice or 3 times. What about L? It comes once. It comes once in the first word. It comes once in the second word, and it comes 0 times in the third word. So it's not it. So what about E? It comes once. It comes twice. It comes 3 times. So for answer for number 7 is E. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Next question is once in the first word, once in the second word, but not in the third word. So we need to find one letter from the first word once, and another letter from the second word once, but not in the third word. Okay? So M, does it come once? Yeah. Does it come once? Yes. But it comes in the third word, but not come in the third word. So it's not M. A, it comes once, comes here. So not the A. G comes once, but there's a G in it. I, it comes twice. So we need once, so it's not it. C, it comes once. There's no C in it. So the answer for number 8 is C. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Next question is most often in the first word and the second word and the third word. Okay, so we need to find which letter comes most often in these 3 words. Okay, so G, does it come most often here? No, it doesn't. What about L? Does it come most often? No. What about O? No, it doesn't. What about S? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for answer for number 9 is S. Okay? So let's move on to the next question. Next question is twice in the first word and twice in the second word. Okay, so we need to find which letter comes twice in the first word and again twice in the second word. Okay, so is it G? Yeah, there's G twice. What about here? No, it doesn't come twice. What about O? It comes 3 times, but we need twice. It's not it. What about B? It comes twice. It doesn't come twice in the second word. What about L? It doesn't come twice in the first word or in the second word. What about E? It comes twice. It comes twice again. So for answer for number 10 is E. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So next question is twice in the first word and twice in the second word and once in the third word. Okay, so we need to find out what letter comes twice in the first word and in the second word, but once in the third word. Okay, so W, does it comes twice? No, it doesn't. What about I? It comes twice. It comes twice here. It comes once here. So for question number 11, the answer is I. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. So the next question is twice in the first word and twice in the second word and 3 times in the third word. Okay, so we need to find out which letter comes twice in the first word and the second word, but 3 times in the third word. Okay, so T, does it come twice? Yeah. Here? Yeah. Here? Oh, it doesn't come 3 times. So let's check out R. Does it come twice? Yeah. Here? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so for question number 12, the answer is R. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. The next question is once in the first word and once in the second word and twice in the third word. Okay, so we need to find out which letter comes once in the first word and in the second word, but twice in the third word. So is it S? Does it comes once? No, it comes twice, so it's not S. What about H? It comes once. It comes once. It comes twice. So for question number 13, the answer is H. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. The next question is twice in the first word, twice in the second word, and once in the third word. Okay, so we need to find out which letter comes twice in the first word and the second word, and which letter comes once in the third word. Okay, so is it E? Does it comes twice? Yeah. What about here? Yeah. No, it comes 3 times, so it's not E. What about L? Does it comes twice? No, it's not L. What about C? Does it comes twice? Yeah, it does. What about here? Does it comes twice? Yeah, it does. What about here? Does it comes once? Yeah. So for question number 14, the answer is C. Okay? So in these type of questions, you really got your thinking skills will be fast. So you will know, oh, that letter comes 3 times here. here, and here. Okay? So your thinking skills must be fast to get these answers. Okay? So in the next lesson, I will be teaching you another chapter of verbal reasoning. Okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share and a subscribe. Okay? See you guys in the next lesson. Bye!